Welcome back. Ancient Mayan civilization had predicted that the world will come to an end on 21st December 2012, exactly after a year from today. Already, a movie has been produced in 2009 on how this disaster will grip the globe. Many call it a myth, while some say that the process of apocalypse has already begun. A special report on what Goans say about the 2012 phobia.
Mayan civilization was the first one to predict an exact date of the biggest human catastrophe, the doomsday, the end of the world. Mayan calendar had predicted that the world will come to an end on 21st December 2012. Mayan civilization is one of the greatest civilizations in the world. The earliest phase of Mayan civilization began around 3000 BCE. The Mayans were specialists in astronomy and timekeeping. They developed over 17 calendars, each with a different purpose that guided the rhythms of Mayan society. Now, if we believe their prediction that the world is coming to an end on 21st December 2012, then only a year is left for the catastrophe. Let us see what people think about this prediction.
फुडली वर्साक सृष्टी नश्ट जातली हातून जरी काही तथ्य ना जाल्यात तरी तांणी सांगिल्ली काही बाकीता काही गोष्टी आज पर्यंत खरी ठरल्यात आणि ते खऱ्यो
की सगळ्यांच्या मनान हे खात्री आसा की हे अशें काय घडचें ना पण एक जो भय जो आसा तो वयल्या पातळीचेर आसा वयल्या लेवलचेर आसा सुपरफिशियल
आणि ह्या संदर्भात जे चित्रपट निर्माण झालेले आसा ही चित्रपट निर्मिती जी आसा ही एक कलाकृती आसा आणि ही कलाकृती म्हणूनच आम्ही घेवपाक जाय.
उत्तर ध्रुव आणि दक्षिण ध्रुव अलीकडे जे आईस कॅप आसा बर्फ आसा प्रचंड प्रमाणात बर्फ आसा साठलेलें आनी ते लाखो कोटी वर्सांचें साठलेलें बर्फ ते पागळपाक लागला.
जगाची सुरुवात कधी झाली हे जसं कोणाला माहीत नाही तसंच अंत कधी होईल हे कोणाला माहीत नाही. मधल्या काळामध्ये नुसत्या बावड्या उठवायच्या.
नोसरो दुमसाचे सुद्दां व्हडलो बोवाळ जाल्लो 1996 वर्सा पृथ्वी ना जातली अशें मानताले पूण तें कांय जावना.
तशी काबार करपाक सेलेस्टियल गजालीची गरजूच ना आमी मनीसच पुरो पृथ्वी काबार करपाक.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Dogs are man's best friends, thanks to Brownie, who foiled a robbery attempt at his owner's house. His bark was enough for robbers to run away and alert the owner. Robbers had entered the house by removing roof tiles.
This is Brownie. He foiled a robbery attempt at Baina in his owner's house. He is a pet of Euphemiana Rodriguez. She claims that robbers entered her house by removing roof tiles. Her pet Brownie, when noticed an unknown person, started barking. Owner got alerted and robbers fled away. Brownie needs to be petted for this. Euphemiana shared her experience.
रातचे 3 असो म्हाका सुण्याचो म्हजो आवाज जालो घरांतून हांव बांदता ताका आनी त्या आवाजाचेर हांव उठलें. एकलो भुरगोच उबो आसलो दारा कडेन धांव मारपाक वचपाक तेजे तेंकोन कोयतो धरलो ताणें दाराचेर आनी तो ताका पयलो आमी हाफ पॅन्ट घालून आहा चेड्डी घालून आहा आनी टी शर्ट घालून आहा आनी तो तितले म्हळ्यार धांवलो पडोन धांवलो खंयच्यान आपल्याक दार मोडलें आमचें टॉयलेटाचें आनी त्या दारांतल्यान तो धांवून गेलो. हय.
She claims that this is the second attempt made by robbers.
2 वर्सां फाटीं हे भाशेनच नोड्यांचेर सावन नोडे उक्ते करून आमचो देंवलो तो रातचो देंवलो पूण तो चोरी करपाक येयली तर ताका करूंक मेळोंक नासतली कित्याक आमी जागी जालीं.
Vasco police reached at the site and filed Panchanama. Our reporter from Baina, Surendra Madkaikar.
Around 5,000 pirated CDs of theatre were seized in Mapsa on Tuesday. Mapsa police raided a music shop at the Mapsa Municipal Market and arrested Suresh Morajkar in this connection. An offence under the Copyright Act has been registered against Morajkar.
Mapsa police raided a music shop at Mapsa named as Suresh Music on Tuesday. Police seized around 5,000 pirated Kokni CDs from the shop. Owner of the shop, Suresh Morajkar, was arrested in this connection. An offence under the Copyright Act has been registered against Morajkar. This is the second time Suresh is arrested for the same offence.
A trap was laid and he was found red-handed in selling duplicate CDs and VCDs. Now, a case under copyright has been booked against him, and he has been placed under arrest. Now we are verifying from where he was getting those VCDs. The same accused was also found during the last year in indulging in a similar offence.
Earlier in morning on Tuesday, theatrist Francis Detuye had filed a complaint with Mapsa police.
Pilot scenario आमके मागीर वचून चेक कर म्हणून वचून चेक केल्यार ती सीडी डुप्लिकेट आमी पे करता स्टॅम्पर बेटे स्टिकर मारून सीडी डुप्लिकेट विकतालो करून आनी तेजे रेट पळोवन ताणें सेम कोट केला आमी जितली फारीक करता MRP घेता विकता तीच रेटीन ताणें आमकां बायलान म्हाजी इकती घेतकूच ती सीडी हांव घेवन पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर कंप्लेन दिलें आनी मागीर FIR स्टार्ट केली आनी वचून तेजे रेड मारल्यार तेजेर अरावंड 5,000 to 6,000 आनीक डुप्लिकेट म्हाज्योच न्हू मानफा म्युजीक देन VP सिनारी आनी लॉरी ट्रॅव्हर्सो मागीर मॅथ्यू आरावजो हेचे सगळे टोनी द रिमांदर सुकुटे सांजारूज हेचे जायते जाणांच्यो सीडी सगळे ऑलमोस्ट सगळ्यांच्यो सीडी डुप्लिकेट 5 ते 6 हजार सीडी जप्त केल्या पुलीस.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
Home Minister Ravi Naik has rubbished the charges that he purchased huge chunks of land and brought Kurti Kandepar village under PDA for his personal benefit. He has termed the allegations as baseless. He was speaking at the inaugural function of Ponda Municipal Market Complex.
The first phase of the Rs 25 crore market complex to mark the golden jubilee of Goa's liberation was inaugurated in Ponda. It is a joint initiative of Ponda Municipal Council and Goa State Urban Development Agency. The 3-story complex houses around 196 shops. It was inaugurated by Home Minister and Ponda MLA Ravi Naik. Urban Development Minister Joki Alamau, Chairman of Ponda Municipal Council Kishore Naik, Chief Officer Jayant Tari and others were present for the function. Speaking about the PDA issue, he said allegations against him are baseless. He said he has no vested interest. However, the village has been bought under PDA, keeping large interest of the people in mind.
तुम्ही घेता स्कीम तुमची स्कीम तुम्ही नाकावणे पैसे परत दितात आणि घालतात असे काही लोक जे असतात ज्यांना विचारना कसले काउन्सिलर जातात विचारना काय ना समजना स्टडी करिना आणि कितें उलयतात म्हणजे एकदम फ्रस्ट्रेट जावन भोंवता फ्रस्ट्रेट म्हणून अशे लोकां पासून सावध रावचे.
Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.